Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warhammer Dawn of War full guide. Start by selecting your faction and adjusting game settings for a fair match. Focus first on map control, capturing resource points, and maintaining steady reinforcement lines. Learn unit counters and hotkeys so you can react quickly in battle. Practice build orders against AI and watch replays to understand decision points and timing windows. Mastering strategy means thinking ahead about tempo, positioning, and economy. Secure key capture points while denying your opponent space and resources. Use scouts and light units to probe for weaknesses and bait poor engagements. Plan unit compositions that counter likely enemy choices and keep teching when safe. Timing attacks with reinforcements and upgrades wins games more than single heroic plays. Good micro separates good players from great ones, so practice small squad control and unit abilities. Focus fire weaken targets and kite slow enemies when you have ranged superiority. Use cover and elevation to reduce incoming damage and force unfavorable engagements for your opponent. Learn to split squads against area attacks and save cooldowns for clutch moments to turn fights in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.